Meet the Kamag Truckweisel, the terminal truck. What if moving massive trailers in a busy port felt as easy as driving a regular automatic truck? This is a powerful terminal tractor built to move heavy trailers in ports, yards, and logistics hubs with absolute ease. It combines serious heavy-duty strength with the comfort and simplicity of a normal road truck. Instead of complicated controls, you get a smooth, car-like automatic drive that anyone can quickly learn and operate with. Confidence. Its reinforced frame is built for extreme loads, while the hydraulic system makes connecting and lifting trailers fast, clean, and effortless. The fuel-efficient diesel engine keeps running costs low, even during long non-stop shifts. Inside the cab, drivers get a comfortable seat, wide visibility, and simple controls designed for all-day work without fatigue. No more exhausting manual hookups. Just connect, drive, and move. Meet the Woodcracker RL700, the beast that's changing how America handles heavy-duty logging and land clearing. Imagine a machine that can grab, cut, and split massive logs in seconds, work that normally takes a whole crew of workers and hours of effort. The L700 delivers up to 22 tons of splitting force, turning huge timber into manageable pieces like it's nothing. Built for tough American forestry jobs, this machine is designed for speed, raw power, and non-stop performance. Whether it's clearing large land areas, processing wood for biomass energy, or handling industrial logging sites, it gets the job done faster, cleaner, and more efficiently than traditional methods. What really stands out is its durability. This isn't a machine that slows down under pressure. It's engineered to keep working in extreme environments without losing power or performance. In simple terms, it replaces exhausting manual labor with pure mechanical strength, saving. Meet the RCA 330 Joy and RCA 330 Fun firewood processors. What if you could turn huge logs into perfect firewood in seconds, without heavy labor or wasting your entire day? Today we're checking out two powerful machines built for serious work in the U.S. wood processing and forestry world. The RCA 330 Joy and Fun models are designed to make firewood production fast, simple, and stress-free. Instead of spending hours cutting and splitting wood by hand, these machines handle everything in one smooth, automated process. You simply load the logs, and the system quickly cuts and splits them into ready-to-use firewood with very little effort from you. They're built tough for American farms, workshops, and commercial firewood businesses, using industrial-grade hydraulic power for strong, consistent performance. Designed for safety and durability, they can handle high-volume workloads all day without slowing down or losing cutting quality. Meet the RCA 400 HRV. Stroj za rezanie I ciepanie. The machine that turns massive logs into firewood in seconds. Imagine a full tree trunk, gone in moments, sliced and split like butter. This heavy-duty wood processing machine is built for one job, taking huge logs and breaking them down fast, clean, and effortlessly. Instead of hours of manual cutting, this system does it in seconds with powerful hydraulic force. Big, rough logs are fed into the machine, and it automatically cuts and splits them into perfectly sized firewood, ready for use in homes, farms, or industrial heating. What makes it stand out is its speed and consistency. Even thick, heavy trunks don't slow it down. It keeps running smoothly, delivering non-stop output for maximum productivity. This is not just machinery. It's a complete upgrade to how firewood is produced in modern forestry operations across the USA and beyond. Meet the Posh Spaltfix K540 Sägerspalt Automat. This beast turns massive logs into firewood in seconds. No heavy lifting, no slow manual cutting, just pure automated power. This is not your average wood cutting machine. In the US, where firewood demand spikes hard during winter, equipment like this is completely changing the game for small businesses, farms, and lumber operations. You simply feed raw logs into the system, and it takes over instantly. First, a high-speed cutting unit slices each log into perfect, uniform pieces in one smooth motion. No delays, no wasted effort. Right after that, the hydraulic splitting system kicks in and instantly breaks even thick, dense hardwood into clean, ready-to-burn firewood pieces in seconds. What used to require a full crew and hours of hard labor can now be done by just one operator running this machine. That means faster output. Meet the Splitmaster 20 with Easy Spalt Messer. This isn't your average wood splitter. This is heavy-duty power built for serious work. Imagine clearing massive logs in seconds without breaking your back. That's exactly what this machine is made for. With its smart horizontal design, you just roll the logs in easily. No struggle, no wasted energy, and way more safety for the operator. What really sets it apart is the Easy Spalt Messer system. It cuts through tough wood fast and clean, giving you perfect splits every single time without slowing you down. Whether you're working in firewood production, a lumber yard, or handling forestry jobs in the US, this machine is built to keep up with non-stop demand. It's not just about power, it's about saving time, reducing labor, and getting more done in a day without the burnout. If you deal with wood, this is the kind of machine that completely changes your workflow. Meet the Vermeer 10 Series trailed mowers. What if you could cut more hay in less time without the stress, delays, or constant adjustments in the field? Meet Vermeer 10 Series trailed mowers, built for farmers who want power, speed, and simplicity, all in one machine. These mowers come with wide cutting options of 17.7 and 20.8 feet, helping you cover more ground with every pass. The smart dual cutter bar design gives you better flexibility, so it easily follows the land even on rough or uneven fields. That means a cleaner cut and less missed spots. Maintenance won't slow you down either. With a quick blade system and fast change parts, you spend less time fixing and more time working. Everything is designed to keep you moving without hassle. The suspension system uses nitrogen power to keep the mower floating smoothly over the ground. So whether the field is flat or bumpy, you get a consistent, professional cut every time. Meet the Vermeer ZR5 self-propelled baler hook. What if baling hay didn't slow you down, but actually changed the way you work forever? This machine isn't just another baler, it's a whole new way to get the job done across American farms. The ZR5 brings self-propelled power, meaning you don't need to rely on a separate tractor to push your workflow. It moves smooth, fast, and smart, adapting in real time so you get consistent, high-quality bales every pass. The ride is built for rough fields, giving you stability, comfort, and clear visibility, so you stay focused on results, not bumps and fatigue. Tight turns? No problem. You can finish a pass and swing into the next row without wasting time. When the job's done, it even travels back at highway speed, saving you more hours in the day. This is about working smarter, not harder. Less downtime, more output, and more control in your hands. Meet the Scheuerl Windflügel. Adapter Generation Dissect. This isn't just another heavy transport machine. It's how massive wind turbine blades are moved safely across roads in the United States. These blades are insanely long, super fragile, and worth millions. One wrong turn, one small mistake, and the damage can be catastrophic. But here's where this system changes the game. It can lift, tilt, and rotate the blade with extreme precision while it's being transported. That means it can smoothly handle tight turns, narrow highways, and tough road conditions without risking damage. Its smart hydraulic control system constantly adjusts the position of the blade so it stays stable even when conditions get rough. Think of it like giving a giant wind blade a smart balance system that reacts in real time while moving across long distances. This is not just transport. This is next-level engineering that supports America's clean energy future. Meet the West Tech Woodcracker, W1000. This machine doesn't just cut wood, it tears through massive tree trunks like they're nothing. In American forestry operations, speed and power matter more than ever. That's where this beast comes in. Mounted. On a mobile chipper, it grabs, cuts, and feeds huge logs straight into the system without stopping. No chainsaws, no extra machines, no wasted time. Just one powerful setup doing the job of an entire crew. What makes it even more impressive is its control. Even heavy hardwood trees are handled smoothly and turned into wood chips within seconds. From land clearing to biomass production across the USA, this machine is built to handle serious work on massive scale projects. It saves hours of labor, cuts costs, and keeps operations running non-stop. The Westech Woodcracker W1000 isn't just heavy equipment. That's exactly why the grapes line was built. This trailed grape harvester moves through your vineyard with precision that no human team can match. It uses smart vibration technology to gently shake grapes loose from the vines, without causing any harm to the plant. The vines stay healthy, the grapes stay intact, and the harvest keeps moving. What used to take a full crew several days now happens in just a few hours. Once the grapes are collected, the machine automatically cleans them and moves them straight into storage bins. No extra steps, no wasted time. For farmers, that means lower labor costs, faster harvests, and more control over the entire process. Whether you're running a small family vineyard or managing hundreds of acres, this machine works at your scale. Agriculture has always evolved with the times, and this is the next step. Smarter tools, faster results, and healthier vines season after season. If you're serious about your vineyard's future, the grapes line isn't just an upgrade, and it's the standard you'll wish you set sooner. Meet the green manure shredder system. This is the machine changing how American farmers rebuild soil after every harvest. We are in the heart of modern U.S. farming, where efficiency and sustainability go hand in hand. Instead of leaving leftover cover crops to rot unevenly, this system cuts, shreds, and blends them directly back into the soil. It's fast, clean, and incredibly effective. Farmers use it after green cover crops have done their job protecting the land. Once the cycle is complete, this machine turns plant waste into natural fertilizer. That means richer soil, better water retention, and stronger future harvests without relying heavily on chemicals. What used to take days of manual work now takes minutes with precision machinery built for scale. This isn't just farming anymore. It's smart land management powered by innovation. If you're into modern agriculture tech, that's exactly what this John Deere 6110R tractor is doing right now. It pulls powerfully and smoothly. No slowdowns, no struggles, even through thick, dense plant cover like this. Attached behind it is the Perugini biomulch system. This machine chops everything up into tiny pieces and spreads it right back into the soil. No waste, no burning. Just nature doing its job, only faster. And here's why this matters. That chopped up plant material breaks down and releases nutrients back into the ground. It keeps moisture locked in longer. And it builds up the soil year after year, so every season gets better than the last. This isn't just a tractor doing field work. This is farming with a plan, cutting costs, skipping chemicals, and building land that gets more productive over time. If you want to see more of how modern agriculture actually works, the smart machinery, the real techniques, this is the Massey Ferguson 6S paired with the Saphir Grindstar, and together they're changing how farmers care for their grassland. The MF6S is a seriously capable tractor. It's powerful, smooth to drive, and packed with smart controls that help you get more done in less time. Whether you're covering a small paddock or a large open field, this machine handles it all without breaking a sweat. Now hook that up to the Grindstar, and things get really interesting. This attachment is built for one job, making your grass healthier. It gently works the soil surface, lets air in, breaks up any hard crust sitting on top, and does all of this without damaging the grass roots underneath. Your pasture stays intact, but it gets a proper refresh. Watch how evenly it moves across the field. No missed patches, no uneven lines. Just clean, consistent work from one end to the other. The result? Grass that grows back thicker, greener, and more productive. Meet the Flaming Bulb Planting Machine 2024. And this is what modern farming in the US is starting to look like. What if planting thousands of flower bulbs could take hours instead of days? This machine is built for one job: planting bulbs. Faster, cleaner, and smarter than ever before. Instead of relying on slow manual labor, it automates the entire process with precision that humans can't match at scale. Every single bulb is placed at the perfect depth and spacing, giving plants the best possible start for strong, even growth. This is the kind of innovation US growers are using to scale production without increasing labor. It's designed for large commercial farms where time, efficiency, and cost matter the most. It also reduces waste, improves seed-to-soil consistency, and delivers more uniform results across huge fields. Built tough for real farm conditions, it runs smoothly through different soil types and keeps working even when the terrain gets rough. Meet the pulverisateur. EOL. Imagine covering massive American farmlands in half the time with less waste and pinpoint accuracy. This is a next-generation agricultural sprayer built for modern US farms. Designed for large-scale growers, it helps you spray crops faster, smarter, and with far better precision. The advanced airflow system pushes treatment deep into crops, so every inch of your field gets covered without overusing chemicals. With its high-capacity tank, farmers can stay in the field longer and stop wasting time on constant refills. The Howray nozzle system is engineered to deliver an even spray pattern, helping reduce waste and improve crop protection at the same time. Whether you're working on corn, wheat, or large open fields, this machine is built to handle tough American farming conditions. It's stable, easy to control, and made to save both time and money. What really makes it stand out is efficiency. Less waste? Meet the RBA, Rundballen Auflöser from Govile. What if one machine could take a massive round hay bale, break it down in seconds, and spread it perfectly across your field, saving you hours of hard work every single day on the farm? In modern American farming, time and efficiency matter more than ever. The RBA is built to handle tough daily jobs with ease. It grabs round bales of silage, hay, or straw and quickly spreads them exactly where you need them. No more wasting time with manual feeding or heavy lifting. Just load it, start it, and let the machine do the work. Its strong build is designed for rough farm conditions, from hot summers to muddy fields. Farmers can reduce feed waste, improve livestock feeding, and get more done in less time. With smooth performance and simple operation, it helps small and large farms work smarter, not harder. This isn't just equipment, it's a time-saving upgrade for your entire feeding process. If you want faster feeding, less stress, and more productivity every day, that's exactly why the Swadro single-rotor rakes were built. These machines move fast. They work on flat fields and bumpy, uneven ground and still give you perfectly shaped windrows every single pass. No mess, no gaps, no wasted crop. Here's what makes them different. The rotor adapts to the land beneath it. So whether your field dips, rises, or curves, the rake follows it like it's on rails. Your forage gets collected cleanly. Every time. And the best part? They're dead simple. To operate, you don't need to be a technician to run one. Strong build, high working speed, easy controls. Whether you're running a small family farm or a large-scale operation, it just works. Less time raking means less fuel burned, less wear on your equipment, and more time for everything else on your plate. If you're still using an old rake that leaves crop behind, it's time to upgrade. Swadro. Meet the Kronvendro C1340, a hay tedder that's built for farmers who take their work seriously. This machine covers a massive working width, which means you're spreading more forage in every single pass. Less time in the field, more work, done before the weather turns. And it's not just about speed. The Vendro C1340 hugs the ground like it knows the field personally.
Every hill, every dip, every uneven patch. This machine adapts and follows the terrain naturally. That means less crop is left behind and more of your hard work actually makes it into the barn. Its frame is light but built to last. That's
not a contradiction, and it's smart engineering. Less weight means less fuel burned and less pressure on your soil. Your land stays healthier and your wallet stays fuller. Setting it up takes minutes, not hours. Maintenance won't eat into your day. And when you fire it up and head out to the field, it just runs, clean, reliable, and consistent every single time. Today I'll show you how to quickly get started with the Ration Smart Lawn Mower. First, unpack the machine carefully and make sure all parts are included, including the battery, charger, and cutting unit. Next, fully charge the battery before first use. This ensures maximum performance and longer life. Once charged, insert the battery into the mower until you hear a secure click. Now check the cutting height and adjust it according to your lawn type. Lower for a clean finish, higher for rough grass. Press the power button to turn it on. The smart system will automatically run a safety check before operation. Use the handle controls to guide the mower smoothly across your lawn. The Ration Smart is designed to move easily and cut evenly without much effort. After finishing, turn it off, remove the battery, and clean the blades for best maintenance. And that's it. Your Ration Smart mower is ready to deliver a clean, professional cut every time. This is horse aggravation, and it's not your typical farm. Think of it as a real-world laboratory. Every machine here gets tested under actual farming conditions. Real soil, real weather, real pressure. Nothing ships to farmers worldwide until it's been pushed to its absolute limit right here. And here's what makes it truly remarkable. The mission isn't just about growing more food. It's about growing smarter, less fuel, fewer resources, better results. Precision farming technology developed at this facility is already helping farmers across the globe feed millions of people more efficiently than ever before. This is where a seed drill gets smarter, where a soil cultivation system learns to do more with less, where the future of agriculture is being written, field by field, season by season. The world's population keeps growing, the pressure on farmers keeps rising, and places like horse aggravation are quietly solving. Meet the Horse Cruiser, 6XL and 12XL. These machines don't just till your land, they completely transform how you prepare it. Here's what makes them different. Most cultivators churn through a field and leave crop residue scattered and uneven. That creates patchy soil, weak seed beds, and inconsistent yields. The Cruiser does the opposite. Pause for impact. Its advanced disc system cuts through even the toughest field conditions, mixes crop residues evenly into the soil, and improves soil structure, all in a single pass. You're not making multiple trips. You're getting it done once, and getting it done right. And the scale? The 6 and 12 meter working widths mean you're covering massive ground fast. Less time in the field, less fuel, less money spent on labor, more time for everything else that matters on a farm. Energy. Up here, the result is a better seed bed, healthier soil, and stronger crop yields, season after season. This is the Massey Ferguson 6480, a beast of a tractor that farmers trust for the toughest jobs on the field. But today, we're not just talking about the tractor. We're talking about what happens when you pair it with the Vlaming Bullen Royer. And the result is honestly mind-blowing. See, harvesting used to mean long days, aching backs, and a ton of people working in the sun just to get the job done. Farmers would spend hours, sometimes days, pulling crops out of hard ground by hand. It was exhausting work and honestly not very efficient. Now look at this. The Massey Ferguson 6480 rolls through the field with serious power, while the Vlaming Bullen Royer does something remarkable. It lifts the crops right out of the soil, separates them with pinpoint accuracy, and keeps the damage to almost zero. No bruising, no waste. Just clean, fast harvesting, row after row. What used to take a full crew an entire day, this duo handles it in a fraction of the time. That's exactly where the Caron Big Classics raking system comes in. This isn't just another piece of equipment sitting in your shed. This is a seriously powerful raking machine built for one thing: getting the job done right every single time. Here's what makes it stand out. The tines on this machine are specially designed to gently lift your crop off the ground without damaging it. And that matters more than most people realize. Damaged grass means lower quality silage and hay. But with the Big Classics, your crop stays in great shape from field to storage. It also lays your crop into clean, consistent windrows. Those neat lines of grass that make your baler's job so much easier. No messy piles, no uneven rows, no wasted trips. And whether you're running a small family farm or managing hundreds of acres, this machine scales with you. It's fuel efficient, low maintenance, and built tough enough to handle rough conditions without skipping a beat. Farmers around the world have been trusting Chiron for decades. Meet the Krone Swadro 110, the triple rotor side delivery rake that's completely changing the game for farmers who demand serious output without sacrificing quality. This beast covers a working width of 9.7 meters and merges it into one clean, fluffy windrow, the perfect setup for high-output forage harvesters running at full speed. We're talking up to 10 hectares cleared in a single hour. But here's what makes it truly special. It's not just powerful, it's smart. 3 rotors, each fine-tuned to work in perfect harmony. The front rotor picks up the crop, passes it to the middle, and the rear rotor, spinning slightly slower with double lift tines on every arm, gathers those massive crop volumes and lays them down in a beautifully formed windrow every single pass. No complicated setup, no wasted time. Wide running gear and stub axle steering mean tight turns, fast maneuvering, and zero downtime in the field. The result? Clean raking. That's exactly what Pellant Connect is doing for vineyard owners around the world. It's a simple idea. Connect all your vineyard machines and tools to one platform you can check from your phone or computer anytime you want. Your harvesting, machine, your pruning tools, all of it, tracked in real time. So instead of walking the whole property to figure out what's working and what's not, you get all that information in seconds. You can see which machine is being used, how it's performing, and whether something needs attention before it becomes a costly problem. That means less downtime, lower costs, and better grapes at harvest. And better grapes mean better wine. Simple as that. This isn't just about technology for technology's sake. It's about giving farmers real practical tools that make their work easier and their results better. Pellant Connect is turning traditional vineyards into smart, connected farms, and the results speak for themselves. Introducing the RC16 Plus root crop trailer, built for farmers who want to work smarter, not harder. This thing is a beast. Whether you're pulling potatoes, carrots, or onions out of the ground, the RC16 Plus handles it all. Its tough steel frame is built to take a beating season after season, no matter how rough the field gets. Here's what makes it different. The high-capacity loading system means fewer trips. You load more, move more, and get done faster. And when it's time to unload, the smooth hydraulic tipping system does the job in seconds. No struggling, no mess, no wasted time. It connects seamlessly with your tractor, so whether you're running a small family farm or a large-scale operation, this trailer fits right into your setup and immediately starts saving you time and money. Less labor, fewer trips, more done in a single day. The RC16 Plus root crop trailer, power, performance, and precision, exactly when you need it most. Our farm is growing fast, and our old 18-ton trailer simply couldn't keep up anymore. So we made a big decision. We invested in the SF24 HS Plus trailer from Richard Western, and honestly, it's been a game changer from day one. We already run 2 Richard Western chaser bins during harvest, and they've been brilliant. So choosing this trailer was a natural next step. More capacity, better performance, and a setup we already trust. One thing that really sold us was the ride quality. We're covering around 25 miles from the farm regularly, so a smooth, comfortable journey on the road isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. The hydraulic front drawbar and hydraulic suspension make a massive difference. You feel it straight away. Safety matters to us too. This trailer comes with ABS brakes, a high-speed axle, and a weigher system so drivers always know exactly what load they're carrying. No guesswork, no overloading. The rollover sheet is genius. Meet the Damkin Multi-Trike, the farming machine that's changing everything. Most tractors crush crops, get stuck in narrow rows, and need a different machine for every job. Farmers waste time, money, and their harvest just trying to get work done. The Multi-Trike fixes all of that. Its high-clearance frame glides right over tall plants, berries, vegetables, you name it, without damaging a single one. And because it runs on a modular system, you can swap between spraying, pruning, and harvesting attachments on the same machine. One tractor, every job. But here's what really sets it apart: the three-wheel design. While regular tractors struggle to turn around in tight farming rows, the multi-trike moves through them like it was built for it. Because it was. The result? Farmers cover more ground in less time, protect their crops, and cut costs, all in a single pass. This isn't just a tractor. The EasyCut B870 and 1000 are built for one purpose: to help you get more done, faster, with less effort. These aren't ordinary mowers. They're high-performance cutting machines designed for serious farming operations. With a working width of up to 10 meters, you're covering massive stretches of land in a single pass. That means fewer laps, less fuel, and more time back in your day. And the cut itself? Pause. Clean, smooth, even, every single time. Even in rough or tough field conditions, the EasyCut series holds its ground without missing a beat. This is the kind of equipment that pays for itself, not just in saved hours, but in better crops and a better operation overall. If you're serious about farming smarter, the EasyCut B870 and 1000 are worth every look. Drop a comment below. Which field size do you work with? I'd love to know. The Pellenc Receptacle Automatique Expand R590. Here's the problem every farmer knows too well. You're in the middle of harvest season, the crops are ready, and every single minute counts. But your equipment can't keep up. You're stopping, adjusting, losing time, and time in farming is money you'll never get back. That's exactly what this machine was built to solve. The R590 automatically expands its container as you work. No buttons, no manual adjustments, no stopping the machine mid-row. It just keeps going. And it handles everything gently: grapes, olives, delicate fruits, without crushing or damaging a single piece. What used to take a full crew and hours of effort, this machine handles it smoothly, continuously, and with zero fuss. Farmers using this system are working faster, hiring less labor, and bringing in better quality crops, all at the same time. This is the Fendt 724 Vario, and it's not your average farm machine. Instead of regular tires, this tractor runs on rubber tracks. That means it glides across soft ground without sinking, slipping, or tearing up the soil underneath. The land stays healthy. The machine stays in control. But the real magic happens at the back. Attached to it is the Flaming planting machine, a precision tool built for one job: placing flower bulbs into the ground with perfect accuracy, every single time. No guessing, no gaps, just clean, straight rows, one after another. Together, this combination is built for large-scale flower bulb farming, where you need to cover massive fields fast, without sacrificing quality. Every bulb lands exactly where it should. Every row is perfectly spaced, and the whole operation runs like clockwork. Thousands of bulbs, one pass, zero mistakes. This is what modern farming actually looks like. Not just powerful, but smart, precise. The John Deere 6215R tractor paired with the Flaming plant machine. And once you see it in action, you'll never think about farming the same way again. This beast moves across the field with smooth, steady confidence, while the planting system behind it works like a well-oiled clock, dropping every single bulb at the exact right depth, the exact right spacing, every single time. No guessing, no human error, just pure, clean precision at scale. Now think about what that means for a farmer. Instead of spending weeks planting by hand or dealing with inconsistent results, this machine does it faster, smarter, and better. Every pass across the field means more seeds in the ground, more consistency in the crop, and ultimately, more money in the pocket. This is what modern farming actually looks like, not just powerful, but intelligent, not just fast, but accurate. If you want to see more machines that are literally changing how the world grows food, hit that subscribe. This is the KLR 3002M. And it's not just another piece of equipment. It's the kind of tool that makes you wonder how you ever got things done without it. Here's the thing most machines get wrong. They either give you speed or they give you precision. Rarely both. The KLR 3002M is different. It's built to handle the heaviest, most demanding tasks without slowing down, without breaking a sweat, and without sacrificing accuracy. Every single time. We're talking serious processing power packed into a smart, automated system. So instead of your team grinding through large, repetitive operations manually, this machine takes over, smoothly, efficiently, and at a scale that actually moves the needle for your business. That means less wasted time, lower energy costs, and more output per shift. And the build quality? Built for the real world. Whether you're in manufacturing, production, or any environment that runs all day, every day, this machine is engineered to keep up without breaking down. Meet the Richard Western Side Discharge Manure Spreader, and it's changing the way farmers work. Most spreaders throw waste out the back. This one? It fires material out from the side while the tractor keeps moving forward. No stopping. No slowing down. Just clean, continuous coverage across the field. And that's exactly why farmers love it. Inside, you've got heavy-duty beaters that chew through everything. Farmyard manure, compost, you name it. The material gets launched in a wide, even pattern across the soil, so every part of the field gets the nutrients it needs. That means healthier soil, better crops, and less time wasted going back over the same ground twice. Here's what really sets it apart. Control. Farmers can actually dial in how much material goes out based on the field they're working in. Too much in one spot wastes product. Too little means poor results. This machine gives you the ability to get it just right, every single time. The Optimum 340 by Pellant Group is a grape harvesting machine built for farmers who don't want to compromise on speed, quality, or cost. And once you see what it does, it's hard to go back to thinking about farming the old way. Here's what makes it different. The shaking system, the heart of any harvester, is designed to be both powerful and gentle. It picks the grapes clean without bruising them, which means better quality fruit makes it to the winery. That's not a small thing. That's the difference between a good batch and a great one. Then there's the built-in sorting system. Leaves, twigs, debris, gone instantly, right there in the field. No extra sorting crew. No wasted time after the harvest. Just clean grapes, ready to go. And the cabin? It's built for the long haul. Comfortable, ergonomic, with full visibility over the vineyard. Because when you're working 12-hour harvesting days, the farmer's comfort isn't a luxury. It's a performance factor. If you've ever had a bale slip, roll off, or cause a close call during transport, you already know the stress that comes with it. Traditional bale handlers just weren't built to handle the demands of real farming conditions. But that's exactly what the Richard Western Safe Lock with top clamp was designed to fix. Here's what makes it different. Instead of using basic spikes or weak grips that can give way on uneven ground, this machine uses a powerful top clamp that presses down firmly on the bale from above. That means it stays locked. No rolling, no shifting, no surprises, even when you're moving across rough, bumpy terrain. And it doesn't matter what size bales you're working with. The Safe Lock automatically adjusts to fit both round and square bales. So you don't need to stop and reconfigure anything. You just lift, clamp, and get moving. It's fast, it's smooth, and it saves you a serious amount of time on the job. But the real win here is safety. Meet the Krone Swadro 1400, the 4-rotor rake built for farmers and contractors who refuse to slow down. This machine covers working widths from 11 all the way to 13.5 meters, and it's designed to handle the toughest conditions without breaking a sweat. Heavy clay soils, wet fields, sloping ground. The Swadro 1400 tracks perfectly through all of it, because smart spring tension carries the weight so the rotors never sink or drag. Adjusting the working width? Fully hydraulic, no jumping off. The tractor? No manual fiddling. Just smooth, effortless control from the cab. And when it's time to hit the road, the rotors fold forward and up into a compact, stable transport position under 3 meters wide. Safe at 40 kilometers per hour. The premium Swadro 1400 Plus takes things even further. Stronger drive shafts, electric rotor height control, and a system that automatically levels all 4 rotors once you set the first one. That means perfectly uniform windrows every single pass, and contractors are reporting up to 20% better forage output as a result. Meet the Grimy Evo 260, and it just got a serious upgrade. Harvesting potatoes sounds simple, but any farmer knows the real challenge. Every field is different. One day the soil is dry and loose, the next it's wet, heavy, and clinging to everything. Most machines struggle to keep up. This one doesn't. The Evo 260 now comes with ChangeSep technology, and it changes everything. Instead of fighting your soil conditions, you work with them. Wet field, adjust. Heavy clay, no problem. Dry and dusty, done. Operators can switch. Between separation setups fast, no long stops, no wasted hours, no frustration. The 2-row harvesting system moves quickly and gently, so your crop comes out clean and undamaged. Less bruising means better quality potatoes reaching the market, and that means more money in your pocket. The controls are simple, the automation is smart, and the whole machine is built around one idea: